everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are gonna do a bathroom makeover, and I am gonna talk about the vanity area bathroom makeover. So I've got this new gorgeous LED mirror. This LED mirror is so very gorgeous. The installation and the assembling of this mirror was a breeze. It comes all in one box as one piece, and you just mount it onto your wall and connect it to a power. You need a power supply around and you're done. It is working. This mirror has 3 different way of light. It has the cool, the neutral, and the warm type of a light, as well as you can dim this mirror to be brighter or dimmer. And you have an anti-fog design on this mirror. So once the anti-fog is on, the mirror will has no fog in the very middle as well as on the end. So our bathroom looked super ugly before and now looks super gorgeous. It feels like a 5 stars, like 4-season level type of a hotel now. Every time I'm walking into my bathroom, I'm obsessed with this new mirror I've got, and I'm gonna show you guys here the before and the after of what I had. So this LED mirror featuring a dual built-in LED light bars. So it has 2 lights. It has the back light and the front light. And this is what makes this mirror to be so different from others, because other mirrors has only 1 light usually, while this mirror has a double backlit plus the front light as well. So the luminous embrace is double. Well guys, let's get started with the makeover. I'm so very impatient to show it all to you. Let's get started. So guys, let's get started. What I've got, it's the LED mirror, large sized with front and back lit. So I've got mine in the size of 72x32, but you have many other options for the sizes. You guys are so very welcome to go check out Amorho store. They have every single type and design of LED mirrors as well as regular mirrors. They have tons of options to choose from, so you guys are very welcome to go check them out. I will leave you all the links down below in the description box to this video of mine. Now we're gonna talk about this very specific mirror that I've got for myself, and they have 6 different sizes for this specific mirror that I have on their website. And as I said, mine is 72x32 type of size. Now Amorho brand has 20+ years of providing their customers with the best quality mirrors with a durable elegance at a very affordable prices. Their vision is to bring a high quality, durable, and luxury LED bathroom mirrors into as many houses as possible by helping creating people to have the perfect bathroom space and elevating the quality of their lives. They are trusted by 20 million plus homes with their innovative designs. Now the light is customizable, so you have 3 color options. The double LED vanity provides a bright illumination, which is perfect for any type of activity in front of the mirror, like perfect for makeup for sure, perfect for shaving, for cutting your hair, for basically looking at yourself into the mirror. It gives this perfect light right into your face and you can see clearly every single thing. Also, if you are filming in front of your mirror or doing any type of filming activities like I'm an influencer, so I took a lot of videos in my bathroom in front of the mirror, for skincare, for makeup type of videos. Well, this mirror works perfectly for me. This LED mirror leaves no any type of dark spots or any type of shadows. Once you are looking at yourself into this mirror, you're just having a crystal clear reflection of every possible thing, of yourself. The color is adjustable, so this versatile LED mirror allows you to change the color temperature between warm 3000K, natural 4000K, and white 6000K. Now white is the most favorite because it's the brightest and it just makes it to look the best. This mirror is made with a tempered glass and the shatterproof features. It is all made of a durable material. Amorho mirrors are all built to withstand impact, so the epoxy resin coating ensures a corrosion resistance. So even after a 30-day of an acid test of this mirror that was done, the mirror remains unscathed. So these mirrors are basically there forever. It has an anti-fog function, so this mirror is also features an anti-fog function in the very center of the mirror. It is ensuring a clarity even when the bathroom is filled with steam and moisture. So let's say you just took a shower and you went out of your shower, and it happened to me every single day of my life, and you want to see your reflection in the mirror. Well, it's impossible because all of other mirrors are having this terrible fog on the mirror, so you cannot see anything. You have to wait 10 minutes, open the door, open the window to let all the moisture and steam to go out, to let the area to calm down, and then you might see yourself at the mirror. Now, things are different with this LED mirror by Amorho. Thanks to the anti-fog function, it has no fog and you can look at yourself and see yourself clearly immediately once walking out of the shower. Amorho offers a 3-year warranty for their LED mirrors. In addition to the LED bathroom mirrors, Amorho is also offering their RGB mirrors with an extra 5 colors like colorful pink, red, green, and blue colors. So you can choose between a regular LED bathroom mirror light and between the RGB, which will give you 5 more colors on your bathroom mirror. Now let's talk about the installation. I would expect it to be challenging, but it wasn't. So the old mirror is basically about like 15 years old, maybe 10 years old, and we were eager like to exchange this mirror for so long. And finally we got the opportunity. So we choose Amorho because we can trust them and they are for 20 plus years on the market already and they have a very good brand name out there. So to install this new LED mirror by Amorho, we had to first of all remove our old mirror and to install the new one. And well, the installation process was easy. It was a breeze and actually it took my husband about 40 minutes to complete it all. And we are very excited and happy about the results. And guys, you could see the before and after. Oh my god, it's definitely like 2 different bathrooms. It's 2 different lifestyles to have, like without the LED mirror and with. The assembling of this mirror is effortlessly. And so the mirror arrived in one box with all the necessary parts in the box. So the installation was simple and easily done. The user manual installation instructions were clear and it was easy to follow all the steps to install the mirror on our wall. And now to connect this mirror to the electricity, you have 2 options. So method 1 is going to be just simply to plug it in. You can insert the plug into a socket if you have one around your mirror area and it will keep the voltages between 110 and 120 volts. If you are in Europe and your voltage is higher than 120 volts, then you will must to use a transformer. The second option to install this one is via the hardware and then you'll have to cut the plug and connect the same color wire and tighten them together. Now we choose to plug it in because we have sockets all around our bathroom area and especially around the mirror at both of the sides, so we could actually choose. And there you go. We just got a perfectly done new LED mirror with 2 ways of lighting, backlit and front light. Both of them works amazing and this mirror just looks absolutely gorgeous. Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. I am a big fan of this new mirror I've got. I am obsessed with my bathroom right now and the next thing I'm gonna change the shower. Like the shower cabin is so old, so stay tuned for the next video of another bathroom makeover for my house. And I hope you enjoyed this video of mine, guys. Please let me know your opinion down below in the comments and be so very sure to check Amorho out. Their LED mirrors are for everyone. You will find any type of a mirror, any size of a mirror, any customization of any type of a mirror possible. Everything can be found on their website. Be so very sure to check them out. I'll leave you all the links down below in the description box of this video of mine, as well as any other information like coupon codes, discounts, promotions, sales, and so very on. Any possible way to save some money of yours. Well, that was actually all for today, guys. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. XOXO Valentine.